KiCad users, this one's for you. Starting today, you can route boards with DeepPCB without leaving KiCad. Step 1. Install. Open the KiCad plugin in Content Manager and search for DeepPCB. One click to install. No manual setup, no dependencies. The plugin lives right inside KiCad, just like any other tool in your workflow. Step 2. API key. Once installed, add your API key to connect the plugin to the DeepPCB routing engine. You can get your key in seconds from app.deeppcb.ai/integration. Paste it in, and you're connected. Step 3. Route. Select your timeout, hit start, and watch DeepPCB go to work. The same reinforcement learning engine that powers the DeepPCB web app is now running directly from your editor. Traces appear revision by revision, and every result lands straight back into your KiCad project, ready to review, export, or keep routing. No file exports, no browser tabs, no workflow interruption. DeepPCB, now in KiCad.